Hey everybody, it's the last night of the black powder season, so we're out here giving it a last ditch effort. Hopefully we get a big doe. A buck would be nice, but we'll see what happens. Was out this morning, did a little tracking, had a smart old buck, did a big loop on me, did a little backtracking on me, a little zigzag, tried to lose me, and eventually he did. Got into a whole barnyard full of tracks, and it was just impossible. So the deer are here. Unfortunately, I didn't get one, but tonight we'll see what happens. So yeah, stick with us, and thanks for coming on another hunting adventure with Dan the Man. And all right, well, hopefully we see something tonight. He's got company. The second one moved in on his tree, and the first one flew away. Well, everybody, it's almost the end of legal light on the last day, and well, I don't know, I don't think we're going to get one, but we're going to hang in there for another couple of minutes and see what happens. I did get some cool footage of a woodpecker though, big pileated woodpecker. Good old woody woodpecker. Man, he was ripping that tree apart. It was awesome. So, night wasn't a total loss, so it was fun. It's a tough season. I had a good time. I did get a deer, and that's okay. It's all about having a good time, having some fun. So, if you're out there and you're like me looking for another one or to fill your tag, good luck. Stay persistent and just have a good time. So with that, I'll show you the sunset. A few more minutes. Fingers crossed. Well, everybody, that's it. It's time to pack up and go. I got a great horned owl behind me, hooting away. It's pretty awesome. Anyway, that concludes this year's hunting season. Got a week break, and then it'll open up again the day after Christmas till New Year's. So maybe we'll get out again. If not, we'll catch you next time on the next hunting adventure with Dan the Man. All right, bye.